Introduction. In most industry, end trolleys are typically used to transport finished products or raw material. The trolley is provided with 3 wheels in this project, which allows everyone withstand the load. This project used the 3R concept of reuse, reduce and recycle. The function of this trolley is to give solution to housewives, retailers and small trade who need to use.
80% of consumers have difficulty lifting heavy items such as gas cylinders. A total of 92.3% consumers think that the use of trolleys can help save their time and energy. The finding is obtained from users in value of Banting, Nilai and Klang. 94.9% answered yes with the production of this trolley able to help them.
Objective. First one, general objective, to create product that can be used for household using a recycled material for recycle theory. Specific objective. First one is to identify problems and barriers where lifting gas or carry goods. Second is to create added value to existing product. Number 3 is to identify the effectiveness, excitedness of product by customer. Next, for scope of business project, we use 5W concept that is find, when, how, where and who. For the first one is find. Solve the problem that faced by user of gas theory and improve the use of theory that current on market. Number 2, when. This started from March and ended in June 2021. Number 3 is how. We create the multi-purpose theory that could easily transport the heavy goods. Number 4 is where. We aim area allow Banting and Klang, Selangor, Nilai and Nilai Negeri Sembilan. Number 5 is who. The users of gas theory, which is retailer, housewife and the users that have difficult to carry heavy goods.
Limitation. 3 types of limitation. First is limited to access data, time constraint, limited of raw material. Limited to access data is to enable to visit individual or organization to gather data or perform research with a particular group of people of this project due to the pandemic. Only could get details and information from the internet, where we used to Google to find articles related to our project. Time constraint. The time available to study the problem and the major change over time is limited by the duration of the study plan, where it is affected more because of the present pandemic that are facing now. Limited of raw material. Since this project uses recycled material, raw material are minimal. Only durable and sturdy material are ideal for this project, but recycled material are difficult to come by.
Product details refer to specific of the product that has been created. The trolley and the basket are the 2 basic components of the Recy-Trolley. The trolley weighed 4 kg and it was used to lift a gas cylinder. There are hooks to help with lifting and safety while moving the gas cylinder. The tri-wheels at the bottom of the trolley's both sides make it easy to climb the steps. The other part, the basket weighs 6 kg and is used for storing and transporting goods. There are also connectors at both sides of the Recy-Trolley and the basket that allows them to spread it and reconnected.
Okay, now we are entering the novelty and uniqueness. What is novelty and uniqueness, to be exact? Alright, novelty and uniqueness is a criteria that distinct the product in the market, especially, or in other words, makes the product stood out the most than the rest. And what makes it so special even more? Alright, for the novelty is that we have 2 points here. Okay, for the novelty is that the Recy-Trolley is a new innovation or new product that has been invented. And secondly, the trolley is specified for housewives, retailers, and special people in needs, which all of these classes can be using it. And what about the Recy-Trolley uniqueness? Alright, we have 4 criteria which are totally new and fresh design. Second is the totally functional for any sorts of work. Third, it is sells at a very low and affordable price. And lastly, it is 100% practical in daily life or basis. And now we are entering methodology. For our product innovation Recy-Trolley, we are following these 4 following methods, which are research design, sampling design, data collection, and data analysis. So for research design, we have 2 types of data, which is qualitative and quantitative data. So for the qualitative data, it is measured in the form of percentage, so it is easier to understand. And secondly, it is the quantitative data, which is the sources include in the observations, interviews, and questionnaires for the respondents to fill up. And secondly is the sampling design. The sampling design, which we located in 2 various areas, which are Banting Selangor and Nilai Negeri Sembilan. It is a very convenient sampling because it is very easy to find and it is available for us to collect data. And thirdly is the data collections. So we are using some questions or surveys through Google Forms to give to the respondents, and the data is chosen by the members and distributed by them also. And the observation were made based on the results of the survey which have been answered by the respondents. Okay, lastly, the data analysis. It is based on the collection of responses from the respondents. So based on the data collection that we collected from the respondents, and that we can make a conclusion of what or may not help them in the future with our innovation product.
Okay, now for the situation analysis. Situation analysis is referred to the process that help identify opportunities, challenges, both internal and external to service or product. A situation analysis is an essential part of any business and plan should be reviewed periodically and ensure that it is current. The first one is what is strength. The one of the product strength is the usage of 3R concept, which is stand for reuse, reduce, and recycle, as this product is made from recycled material. Next, this product is durable in terms of various situations and surface conditions when used, and its strength is ability to compete with current products on the market. 2 is ergonomic design and ability to be used when climbing stairs and carrying some goods. For the weaknesses, these are some products have weaknesses. In the manufacturer will face the prospect of having resupply the goods immediately. Due to a shortage of raw materials to manufacture, this product is a response to strong demand from customer. Furthermore, due to relatively large design size, this product is not fit for storage in a confined space and carrying the products with motorbike or car. It is not ideal due to the size of the product. This product also lacks of brake and lock for safety consideration, ensuring the trolley does not move when placed anywhere. For the opportunities, for the product, a high demand among merchants and families because of the price of the product is reasonable to all sorts of purchases. This product is comfort product purchased by a variety of consumers and have a variety of purpose that can benefit consumer and household, and this product has high potential market demand to the features that can compete with existing products on the market. And the last one is trade. This product trade is a potential price war with other rival, which is necessary to ensure their product gain a position in the market. Next, the trade. It is a limited product because of product produced in a small units, and the raw material is limited, used to make it difficult to get due to the pandemic COVID-19 and the Movement Control Order MCO that announced by the government. Okay, now I will explain about the process to develop product. The first one, we identify the problem that faced by household and retailer at Nilai, Banti, and Klang. After that, we collect the data and the information based on the Google Form survey that has been given Next, we evaluate the trolley, which is made by recycled material. The last one, we design the trolley to more attractive and ergonomic design for the marketing and also to attract the customer.
Competition in the industry. As a new competitor in the industry, there is a product named Recy-Trolley. In addition, there is a lot of competition that is comparable to other products in certain aspects. Users create their own item based on their own design and sell it to the market. Potential of new entrants into the industry. The quality of a product did raise the productive strength of companies' competitors. This is evaluated to verify that the product manufactured are more efficient and of higher quality than those previously existing. The Recy-Trolley has been upgraded with the addition of specific basket intended to carry objects, and it can be immediately opened and reinstalled due to the danger of spare supplies. Power of suppliers. Suppliers for used materials including steel, rubber wheels, wood and other materials are among the ways to organize goods. The supply Recy-Trolleys come from a variety of companies that provide recycled goods at an affordable price. Some companies also sell factory leftover things for a reasonable price. Furthermore, the supplier company will have to provide effective communication to the consumer in order to ensure a good relationship in terms of pricing and quality of the supplier's goods. Power of customers. Retailers, housewives and small traders who have trouble moving large gas barrels and other items may be interested with the Recy-Trolley. Buyers generally acquire large amount of items and barter with one another. Instead, the corporation will purchase vendors at competitive costs. Furthermore, the customer should be well versed in cost, quality and benefits. Threat of substitute products. Improvements were made to ensure that the product was greater to rivals products, such as the installation of unique basket to store things that can be rapidly constructed and uninstalled for various tasks, and consumer will not switch to other rivals as a result.
Impact is having an effect on product, process and people. To get known the impact of Recy-Trolley, a survey was conducted to get response from the customer. From the finding, we found that this trolley gives impact to user. 93.3% of respondents respond that Recy-Trolley has a good design. Recy-Trolley is affordable according to 86.7% of respondents. Another finding, according to 96.7% of respondents, Recy-Trolley can solve their problem and is efficient and practical to be used. The last impact is to environment, where it can decrease waste by recycling recycled items to produce a new product.
Commercialization. Recy-Trolley introduced using social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, and also promoting using poster and producing videos of Recy-Trolley as advertising. Recy-Trolley costs Rm160, which is the lowest price that can be placed because this trolley is limited. Recy-Trolley can be purchased by gas dealers and housewives through the social media platforms that are used to advertise this trolley, and also can shorten distribution and interaction times, allowing gas dealers or customers to save time.
The products implemented, design and use a gas trolley called Recy-Trolley. The function of this trolley is to provide solutions for housewives and gas retailers who need to use it. The main problem is that the current trolleys do not have any wheels that are in line with their family society, and wheel movement of some of the trolley is more limited to terraces, bungalows and apartments. The main objective is to create products that can be used for household using a recycled material. The specific goal is to identify problems and obstacles when lifting gas or carrying goods to create added value to the existing product, and to identify the effectiveness or excitedness of product by the customer. Recy-Trolley was designed with a multifunction in mind to achieve that goal, and after complete a survey was given to consumers to determine the effectiveness for this product. In the descriptive design, this innovative project aims to enhance the previous Recy-Trolley on the market without basket and other advantages, and simplify the installations and the disassembly of the basket. In the future, the same trolley working model will be developed and more conditions will be modified according to the required market conditions.
This project allows us to select and improve product design in wheels, box and practicality of trolley for the customer's satisfaction. In generally, this project, even though a production and reinvention has been made, a further technology for the future is still needed for the name Recy-Trolley to stay relevant, whether in terms of sizes, colors or finishing. Second, improve the design of basket with more suitable sizes and can be foldable. Sadly, the current Recy-Trolley can't be folded, which means in the future, the improvement of the size of it can be made, whether to make it smaller or compact than the current trolley. In the terms of foldable, the newest one will be folded easily, which can be stored and kept at all sorts of places. Number third, 8 handbrake for the trolley so safety is assured. Safety is a must and always to be considered in an invention. Feature of the Recy-Trolley, handbrake is a magnificent idea to add so people know that this trolley is safety guaranteed. The current trolley is nice, but with the added features, this can boost people's interest in buying the product. Number 4, develop multiple field of research to gain collection of data from the respondent. The limitation is very clear. We currently only have the respondent data only through the Google Forms. In order to make it more relevant and quality, it should have been made with different research ideas such as face-to-face interviews and the respondents, so all the collection of the data can be obtained easily.